Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to synchronize Lendingclub with QuickBooks. For freelancers, small business owners, or anyone who tracks finances professionally, synchronizing your Lendingclub account with QuickBooks can simplify bookkeeping. By linking the two, your transactions, balances, and payment flows directly into QuickBooks, which of course reduces manual data entry and improves accuracy. To set it up, all you got to do is log into QuickBooks and then go to the banking or linked account section. Search for Lendingclub in the list of supported institutions. Once selected, you're going to be prompted to enter your Lendingclub login details through a secured connection, typically managed by a data aggregator like Plate. After linking, QuickBooks will begin importing your Lendingclub account activity. You can then categorize expenses, reconcile statements, and generate financial reports automatically. This is especially useful if you're tracking tax-deductible expenses or loan payments or just cash flow for your business. It's a good idea to review transactions weekly to ensure that they are categorized correctly. Over time, QuickBooks learns your preferences and can automate much of the process, saving you time while keeping your records precise and audit ready. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. So hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.